Hi, Charlotte. Hi. What are you eating? Cheese. What else? Blueberries. For Mama? Thank you. For Charlotte? Good girl. What else are you eating? What's in your hand? Oh, not in your hair. What's in your hand? What's in your hand? Is that a pancake? Is that a pancake? Yes, it is. How big is Charlotte? So big. Yummy pancake. Mmm. Okay, your mouth is full, but say goodbye. You're waving. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Love you.